Welcome to Top Picks Now. The Best Repair Cream is probably one of the most sought-after skincare solutions for anyone battling dryness, irritation, or the visible signs of aging, offering a potent blend of ingredients designed to restore and protect your skin's natural barrier, making it an essential addition to your daily routine for achieving a smoother, healthier complexion. Number 5. Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Experience a dual-action moisturizer that repairs your skin's natural barrier in just 1 hour. It provides powerful, long-lasting hydration for a healthier, rebalanced complexion. This daily face moisturizer features a unique prebiotic action. It helps restore skin comfort and retain essential moisture, reinforcing your skin's natural barrier. Formulated with ceramide, 3 to help retain moisture and maintain a healthy skin barrier. Niacinamide works to restore moisture and visibly fade skin discolorations. Enjoy a lightweight cream texture that absorbs quickly, providing immediate comfort and soothing hydration. It's suitable for all skin types and won't clog pores. This hydrating moisturizer helps improve the overall appearance and comfort of your skin. Use it daily without worrying about irritation or clogged pores. Benefit from powerful 48-hour moisture delivery. It ensures your skin stays hydrated and feels rebalanced throughout the day. What we like. This product offers dual-action repair and long-lasting hydration for up to 48 hours. It also features microbiome balancing prebiotics to restore skin comfort. If you have all skin types, including sensitive skin, and are looking for a daily moisturizer that strengthens your skin barrier and rebalances your complexion, you should consider this. What people say. This repair cream is very effective in healing dry and cracked skin. The cream has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It provides long-lasting hydration and leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth. Number 4. Embryolisse Lait-Crème Concentré Face Cream. Discover the iconic French face cream that does it all. It's your daily moisturizer and a perfect makeup primer in one. Enriched with shea butter and aloe vera, it deeply hydrates and nourishes your skin. Experience a soft, supple complexion. Prepare your skin for makeup application like never before. It creates a smooth, flawless base for long-lasting wear. This multi-purpose cream is suitable for all skin types. It provides essential care without irritation. Incorporate this versatile product into your routine for healthy, radiant skin. It's a must-have for any skincare enthusiast. What we like. This iconic French cream is known for its multi-use capabilities, acting as both a moisturizer and a makeup primer. It's packed with nourishing ingredients like shea butter and aloe vera. If you're looking for a versatile product that preps your skin for makeup, provides a smooth canvas, and offers deep hydration, this is a great choice. What people say. This repair cream is very effective in healing cracked heels. It moisturizes the skin deeply and leaves it feeling soft and smooth. The cream absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Number 3. No 7 Future Renew Damage Reversal Night Cream. Introducing the Future Renew Damage Reversal Night Cream. This powerful moisturizer works overnight to reverse visible signs of damage. Infused with advanced peptide technology, it targets and repairs your skin while you sleep. Experience the difference of advanced anti-aging. Specifically formulated for dry skin, it helps to restore and strengthen your skin's natural barrier. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to hydration. See a noticeable difference in your skin's appearance. It helps to reverse the signs of aging and damage for a smoother, firmer look. Make it a part of your nightly routine for optimal results. Wake up to skin that looks and feels revitalized and younger. Discover the future of skincare with No 7. This cream is your key to unlocking a more youthful and radiant complexion. What we like. This night cream is specifically designed for damage reversal, utilizing advanced peptide technology. It works overnight to repair visible signs of aging and strengthen the skin barrier. If you are concerned about signs of aging, have dry skin, and want to wake up to a more rejuvenated complexion, this is the product for you. What people say. This cream is very moisturizing and has helped to repair my dry, cracked skin. I love how quickly this cream absorbs into my skin without leaving a greasy residue. The texture of the cream is light and non-greasy, making it perfect for daily use. Number 2. Filorga Global Repair Advanced Anti-Aging Cream. Discover the ultimate solution for aging skin. This advanced formula works to revitalize and restore your complexion. Experience the next level of anti-aging care. It targets multiple signs of aging for a visibly younger look. Incorporate this cream into your daily routine for continuous rejuvenation. Wake up to smoother, firmer skin every day. This product offers comprehensive repair for your skin. It helps to replenish and nourish for a healthy glow. See a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and appearance. Enjoy lasting beauty with this powerful treatment. What we like. This advanced daily face cream focuses on global repair and anti-aging benefits. It's formulated to address multiple signs of aging for a comprehensive rejuvenation. If you are looking for a high-performance daily moisturizer that targets wrinkles, firmness, and radiance, and you want to invest in a luxurious anti-aging routine, this is an excellent option. What people say. This repair cream is amazing, it really helped my skin recover. I love how this cream feels on my skin, it's so hydrating and doesn't leave a greasy residue. The texture of this repair cream is light and absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling soft and smooth. Number 1. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Experience intense hydration with our Ultra Repair Cream. It's clinically proven to strengthen your skin barrier in just 7 days. This luxurious cream is formulated with colloidal oatmeal to help relieve dryness and irritation. It's perfect for soothing eczema-prone skin. Our powerful formula works to fortify your skin's natural defenses. You'll notice a stronger, healthier skin barrier in a week. Enjoy deep moisturization for both your face and body. This whipped cream provides lasting comfort and relief from dryness. Formulated for sensitive skin, it delivers effective results without irritation. Feel the difference of a truly repaired complexion. With a generous 12-ounce size, you'll have plenty of this nourishing cream to keep your skin hydrated and comfortable. What we like. This Ultra Repair Cream provides intense hydration and is clinically proven to strengthen the skin barrier in just 7 days. It's also formulated to help relieve eczema. If you suffer from very dry skin, irritation, or conditions like eczema, and you need a powerful moisturizer that offers immediate relief and long-term barrier support, this is the one to try. What people say. This cream is very effective for repairing damaged skin. It has a lightweight formula that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. The cream helps to soothe irritation and reduce redness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.